What is going on, people? Mitch here, and today I have a video that is pretty close to me. My dad was down 2 race meets ago at Queensland Raceway helping me out, and he's had a pretty rough trot lately. He's had some cancer treatment. He's just about to go in for a knee replacement, and not only that, he's just retired. So I thought, you know what, being a son and a really good guy at that, I might buy him a new vehicle. And so I bought him a perfect vehicle for retirement. Let's check it out. Okay, so what we have here is a genuine 2016, around that, I believe, Monarch Hybrid 4 mobility scooter. Now, I know what you're thinking. Why the hell would my dad want one of these? He doesn't. He has no idea he's getting it. It's an absolute surprise. And to be perfectly honest, he'll probably bloody hate it. But that thing is going to be so much fun when I do it up, riding around and take it to the pits, so we don't have to walk everywhere. And seeing he's the recipient of a brand new plastic knee, I thought, why not just make life easy for him? And instead of using his brand new plastic knee, he could just roll around on 3 wheels of fury. Well, technically it's 4. There's 2 wheels at the front that act as one. But hey, tomato, tomato, same but different. So, what are we going to do to this little thing here? First thing we're going to do is get rid of all those stickers. Because to be perfectly honest, I don't think my dad really wants pink and purple love heart stickers on his new mobility scooter. We're going to wrap it, we're going to give it a good spruce up, and we're going to give it the big rig racing touch and make it look pretty special for him. Because at the end of the day, in a couple of days, I'm going to be surprising him with this, and I already know it's going to happen one of 2 things. He'll either sit there and start laughing, or he'll just absolutely despise the fact that he gets the chance to roll around in a sick mobility scooter. So, let's get to pulling these stickers off and start wrapping this thing. Alright, it's been a couple of days now and I've been slowly working on this thing at night behind the scenes, just trying to get it sorted. And we've stripped all the little Diamante stickers, all the little sparkles off it. Spent a good couple of days wrapping it and coming up with just something very simple, little design that I kind of came up with as I was going along, because I had to get it done really quickly. My dad is coming tomorrow. And so I needed to get this thing wrapped up and literally wrapped quickly so I could just present it to him tomorrow. Now, thankfully, I got in touch with Josh Dremel from Josh Dremel Designs, and he whipped me up some little number stickers, which you'll see in a second. And it's actually come up really, really good. So let's check it out. Right, so I know you've always wanted phase 3, but couldn't get you phase 3, but I got you something even better. Alright?
Better than a phase 3?
Better than a phase 3.
Yeah, really?
Really.
Oh, I doubt this.
Alright, so when I tell you to turn around, okay?
No.
Alright, don't turn around yet. Alright.
Phase 3.
Alright, this is even better.
Yeah?
Yep. Alright. Alright, turn around here.
Get out!
Alright people, I guess that is an absolute hit because it's still getting used right now. He hasn't got out of the seat. I guess he's going to go in now and book his air flights down for the next race meet so he can take it out to the racetrack, I think. How about that? Well, it's a success. We did it. Awesome work. Wrapped it. Loves his retirement present. And we'll, I guess you'll get to use it.
See you later.
Alright. I'll see you later.